Hey crafters, Charee here from Graphic 45, and today we're making a splash with these new cards from our Seize the Day card kit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to recreate one of these faux step cards step by step. I'm going to walk you through the Seize the Day card kit and what you're going to get inside of this jam-packed kit. And then I'll show you all 6 of these fabulous cards that can be created using the products inside. Take a look at these gorgeous finish cards. Each one uses the easy faux step card technique so you can get the fancy layered look without any complicated cuts. The Seize the Day card kit is now available on our website at g45papers.com and at your local G45 retailers. So let's pop this Seize the Day card kit open and show you what you're gonna get inside. Ephemera Assortment. This makes adding those details easy breezy with these 69 assorted die cut pieces. The Seize the Day rub-on transfer set. This is gonna add a lot of fun background images. The Seize the Day 8x8 collection pack. You're gonna get 24 sheets in here. The black A7 5x7 cards and envelopes. You get 6 of each of those. Teal art glitter. This is a nice fine glitter that matches perfectly with this paper collection. The resealable zip top bag, and of course the step-by-step directions. Let's get down to business and start creating our own card. You can find this project sheet, of course, in the Seize the Day card kit, but it's also available on our website for free. Under inspiration, go up to project sheets and you'll see this plus 50 other printable, fun, and easy to use project sheets. So we are going to take our card base, and this is a 5x7 card base, so that means it's 7 inches by 10 inches. We're just going to trim this down a bit to be 5 inches. So it should end up being 5 inches by 10 inches. We're going to score this on the 10-inch side. Score it at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, and 6 1/4. Crease on those score lines. When I'm creasing my card bases or anything, I like to start in the middle and work my way out on either side. Your card base will end up looking like this. Grab your purple violet sheet from your 8x8, and we are going to cut down 2 pieces. One that's going to be 4 3/4 by 3 1/2, and one that's 4 3/4 by 1 inch. Using your favorite adhesive, adhere these 2 pieces down. Our small piece is going to go on our first little stair step here. This is the front of our card. And then skip this section here and add this to the large front. Take the leftover of that sheet and cut it to be 4 5/8 by 3 1/4. This we're going to put on the inside of our card base here, where we can write our card greeting. You're going to be giving these away for birthdays, celebrations, thinking of yous. Just let us know in the comments below what you will use these beautiful cards for. From our rub-on transfer set, we're going to cut out this gorgeous little star bubble piece, and it's going to go right in the center on the inside. And take your popsicle stick or your bone folder and let's rub these on. We were at a trade show last week, and I learned that if you have your cutting machine out, that you can put this between your cutting die plates without, of course, any metal dies, and run that through your machine, and it will work on your rub-ons. So how clever is that? We, of course, love using these rub-ons. They add so much to our projects, but I also find that they're so fun to use up the leftovers on all your fun little household items around, especially around your craft room. How are you using your rub-ons? Do you use all the leftovers? Let us know. Just slowly pull this up. Grab your dive into happiness and cut this to be 3.5 inches by 8 inches. We're going to go ahead and score this on the 8-inch side, 3 inches from the top. So I have my top at 0 and at 3 inches. Okay, so I'm having a hard time deciding, do we like this plain, nice bubble background, or do we like this more picturesque, busy background? I think since Maria has already created this one with the beautiful bubble background, I think I might mix it up and go with this more decorative side. Let me know if you think that was the right decision. So add adhesive to the top and bottom, and I'm gonna do this right in the center, about halfway onto our stair step, like so. Go ahead and keep this folded and bring it around to the back. Again, from that purple violet paper, we have a piece that we've cut to 4 3/4 by 3.5. Adhere this down to the back. We love all these gorgeous finishing touches. It's gonna look beautiful from any angle. And now my favorite part, the decorating with the pre-cut, die-cut ephemera assortment pieces. So I've taken a few of these and added some foam tape to the back. I'm using a scrapbook adhesive foam tape. It comes in white and black, so I love the variety and I love that dimension it's gonna add. I've added it to the back of our Hugs and Fishes sentiment, and this is just gonna pop right up here. Oh, so fun. I guess if some of these pieces have to be flat, we'll go with some of these little fishies. Just adding those to our scene. Making sure we don't adhere down our card base where we want it to be popping up. So this guy's gonna go off to the edge. And our little school of fish. And then the last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little shimmer to our card. So you can add this wherever you'd like, of course. I'm gonna add it to my coral reef here. Like so. Ahead and add some detail to this little fishy as well. And try to tap this back in here. Now things had a chance to dry, I'm going to go ahead and brush off the excess glitter here. Well, you can see this was a terrible mistake, so don't do what I did. Be sure to put down a piece of printer paper that you're glittering over the top that you can then put in here. I'm gonna go spray this off. Card 2. Card 3. Card 4. Card 6. Let us know in the comments which one's your favorite. The album kit features our deconstructed waterfall folio, and there's a great video walkthrough on our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a fun and fabulous video. We thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.